Good afternoon, students. Welcome to botany class. In the previous class, out of 5 kingdoms, we have completed 2 kingdoms. They are Monera and Protista. Now coming to third classification, kingdom Fungi. Now I am going to explain about general characters of fungi. Fungi ante shilindramu. Do you know about fungi? Have you seen anywhere? Yes. Fungi are grown on warm and humid places or nearer water places and soil, air. They are grown in warm and humid places. The study of fungi called as mycology. The study of fungi called as mycology. Fungi cell wall consists chitin. This is the different polysaccharide material. Now coming to structure of fungi. Fungi is filament-like structure. It contains filaments, and in the filament it has consists septates. Septates ante addu పటలికలను కలిగి ఉంటుంది. ఈ కణానికి మధ్య సెపటేట్స్ని కలిగి ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. One filament in the fungi body which are called hypha. One or more filaments called as hyphae. One or more filaments called as hyphae. This is plural word. All filaments, all hypha consist together network like structure that is called mycelium. mycelium అంటే శిలీంధ్రం యొక్క దేహం అన్నమాట. శిలీంధ్ర దేహ నిర్మాణాన్ని మనం టోటల్గా ఏమంటున్నామంటే మైసీలియం అంటున్నాం. ఫస్ట్ ఇది ఎలా ఉంటుంది? తంతులలాగా ఉంటుంది. ఫిలమెంట్ లైక్ స్ట్రక్చర్. ఒక తంతువును మనం ఏమంటున్నాము? హైఫా అంటున్నాము. ఇలాంటి తంతువులను అన్నింటి కలిపి ఏమంటున్నాము? హైఫే అంటున్నాం. ఈ హైఫే అంతా కూడా కలిసి మనకు ఏం ఏర్పడుతుంది? ఒక నెట్వర్క్ స్ట్రక్చర్ లాగా ఏర్పడితే దాన్ని మైసీలియం అని అంటున్నాం అన్నమాట. ఫంగి డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ 2 types of organisms. They are unicellular and multicellular organisms. Unicellular, this is example yeast. Yeast, it is unicellular organism. All are multicellular organisms. One is example mucor, penicillium and agaricus. They are multicellular or nothing but cenocytic fungi anamata. Where their fungi body consists so many nuclears. They are that is called as cenocytic condition anamata. Okay. Now coming to nutrition. Fungi nutrition divided into 3 types: saprophytes, parasites and symbiotic mode anamata. Saprophytes which are depend on other dead organisms which are observe soluble substances from dead organisms. Parasites they are obligate or facultative. అంటే పాక్షిక పరాన్నజీవులుగా కానీ లేదా సంపూర్ణ పరాన్నజీవులుగా కానీ ఉంటాయన్నమాట. దాన్నే పారాసైటిజం అంటారు. విచ్ ఆర్ living on which are depend on other living organisms, that is called parasites. And symbiotic mode, one algal material and fungal material both together mix up to lichen, both together mix up to form a lichen structure, that is called symbiotic process. In the lichen, fungi consist 98% and algae consist 8% in the lichen, part of the lichens. And coming to mycorrhiza, fungi associated with higher plants, that is called mycorrhiza. For example, pinus. Let us see reproduction. In fungi reproduction, we have seen 3 types of reproductions: vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. In fungi reproduction, fragmentation process. Fragmentation means one fungi, it can divided into similar identity organism. It can produce or it can divided into another similar identification organism, that is called fragmentation. Asexual reproduction produces spores. In sexual reproduction, again it will divided into 3 steps: plasmogamy, karyogamy, meiosis. In plasmogamy, we have seen cytoplasm. This is fungi filament. The cell of cytoplasm, in this cell of cytoplasm, both together mix up to growing to